So a lot of times client asks कि as per our budget we'll go with 60 by 60 vitrified tile flooring, or we'll go with plastic emulsion paint. But what if we go with Italian marble flooring, or what if we go with, instead of plastic emulsion, we go with Lustre paint? What would be the cost difference? And doing this changes in Excel could take a lot of time, एंड फिर आपको लगता है कि यार ये क्या करना तो नहीं है, और कि ये क्या बता रहा है, क्या क्या कॉस्ट निकालना है. सो वी हैव कम अप विथ एन ऑप्शन टू ऐड अल्टरनेटिव्स इन साइड बुक. तो यहाँ पे आई हैव 60 by 60 vitrified tile flooring option which I have selected, and if I want I can add an alternative of Italian marble. So I'll just type Italian here, and it will give me an option of Italian marble on 60 mm bedding. So I'll just select this. Suppose dark shade I've selected for now. Now here I have I'll just select alternative 2 as the option, and now it's going to show me that this is 6,54,000. and if I go to view quote, यहाँ पे कॉस्ट ये मेरे को 6,54,000 का ले रहा है, और ये दिखा रहा है कट करके कि ये 80,000 है. एंड सपोज क्लाइंट इज लाइक नो, गो विद द अर्लियर ऑप्शन ओनली, और गो विद दिस ऑप्शन. ऑल आई हैव टू डू इज एडिट, and I can select whichever is finalized, and I'll just click here, show item alternatives in quotation. So now view quote में ये जो finalized option है वो दिखेगा, और पहला option नहीं दिखेगा. But आपके end पे आपको पता है कि which was the item options you had given to the client. So this is one feature which is being loved by our existing users. So please do try it out, and do let us know how you find it. Thank you.